Vivo Y78 Plus full specifications. The Vivo Y78 Plus is a stylish Android V13 smartphone with a slim 7.89 mm thickness and a weight of 177 g, offering a modern user experience for those seeking both style and performance in their mobile device. The Vivo Y78 Plus features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels, providing crisp and vibrant visuals at 400 ppi. The display also offers a smooth user experience with a high 120 Hz refresh rate, ideal for fluid scrolling and gaming. Additionally, the device sports a modern punch-hole display design, maximizing screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. The Vivo Y78 Plus is equipped with a 50MP plus 2MP dual rear camera setup for capturing detailed and high-quality photos, while the 8MP front camera is ideal for selfies and video calls. With this camera configuration, users can expect to capture sharp images and enjoy a variety of photography features to enhance their mobile photography experience. The Vivo Y78 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, featuring a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor for smooth performance. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of inbuilt memory, users can expect seamless multitasking and ample storage for their apps and files. However, it's important to note that this device does not support memory card expansion, so users will have to rely on the built-in storage capacity. The Vivo Y78 Plus supports 4G and 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable network speeds for browsing and streaming. It also features VoLTE for high-quality voice calls over LTE networks. In terms of wireless connectivity, the device comes with Bluetooth V5, WAN and Wi-Fi support for seamless connections to other devices and networks. Additionally, the phone is equipped with a USB-C port for charging and data transfer, offering a modern and convenient connectivity option. The Vivo Y78 Plus is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery, providing ample battery life for extended usage without frequent recharging. Additionally, the device supports 44W fast charging technology, allowing users to quickly recharge their phone and get back to using it without long waiting times. This combination of a high-capacity battery and fast charging capability ensures that users can stay connected and productive throughout the day.